Coffee is valuable because we enjoy it, and that makes it valuable for those that produce it, those who roast it, those who sell it.
And so across the lectures and the workshops and all of the different activations on the show floor and off the show floor, we're making space. We're bringing people together.
Whether you're new to coffee, whether you're a seasoned professional, it really is an opportunity to get as much information or delve into something that perhaps you haven't before.
We have more than 60 lectures on a wide variety of topics, and anyone who's new to specialty coffee should start by finding a lecture that meets their interest and going and sitting down and learning from someone who has a lot of expertise to share.
Green Coffee Connect is about connecting with those in the coffee sector, whether they're producers, coffee producer organization.
Discussions where people can ask questions, they give their opinions, and also it's very inclusive because we have a translation so everyone can come. It's free, and it's a space to connect.
What we can do is bring those people together and really try to leverage all of our resources as one.
This event really shows you that coffee is so much more than what's in your cup.